Hi, I'm Karen Thomas, and I want to make sure you join me for my radio show this week because I have Dr. Madeleine Cunningham joining us. She is an expert on autoimmunity for autism. Now we're talking about things like PANDAS or Pediatric Autoimmune Neuropsychiatric Disorder, or if it's called PANDAS, you might have heard, then that means associated with streptococcal infections. Now we're very commonly, we hear about strep throat, but we don't realize that we can be strep carriers. Even mom, we can be a strep carrier and pass it in utero to our baby. And so they can be born with strep, and strep can live in the gut. Even if you've had your tonsils out, you can have these things going on in your system. But what it does when you've got this whole PANS issue going on is that it means that the immune system begins to attack the brain. It's very dangerous. It can cause a lot of sudden onset symptoms of autism or even beyond autism, but we're looking for, if you see a sudden onset of high anxiety or OCD, obsessive compulsive disorder, they get very clingy, they're having nightmares, they're of course very sick, getting sick a lot. This can all be due to some of these autoimmune issues and PANS and streptococcal infections. Dr. Madeleine Cunningham is an expert on this, and she even has developed a blood panel that, or found perfected a blood panel that other doctors are utilizing because it's so effective. And we're going to share all of this with you, what all of this means for you and your child, and how you can help them get better from this, because it's very important. If you're not familiar with PANS or PANDAS, please tune in to or register for my free workshop where I explain the 4 stages through getting optimum recovery, which means to regain health for your child with autism. And the first stage is healing the gut, and there's a lot that implies to. And the second is natural and safe heavy metal detoxification. The third is brain support, or the third is co-infections, clearing them naturally. Now again, this is mold biotoxins, Lyme's disease, and PANS or PANDAS and streptococcal infections. And then the fourth is brain support and repair. That is all free for you at naturallyrecoveringautism.com/free workshop. All one word, no spaces, just free workshop. And please register for that. Feel free to share it with anybody you know who'd be interested. This is really important, and it's so commonly missed in parents' progress with their child, and it can be why your child is staying sick or you're not getting the real results that you were hoping for. So please tune in. Again, the radio show is this week. If you miss it live, you can catch it in the archives at the same link that's right below this video. And please, again, share it with anybody you know who might be interested. This is really important. And feel free to share the registration link to my free workshop as well, which I've also listed below this video for you, because it's very important that these things don't get missed and everybody knows exactly what to do and all there is to do, because this is so much more than just healing the gut. So I hope this is helpful for you, and we'll see you really soon.